Well, hey guys, just out here troubleshooting my gas grill. There's all the pieces and parts down here. Now, of course, disclaimer: take your gas, turn your gas off, take the gas completely off if you're going to do this. But here is the setup. My grill was just not heating. Went to grill some burgers last night. Took forever. Wouldn't get up above maybe 250 max. And my grill here, it's a charbroil. Right there's my temperature gauge, and I knew I had plenty of gas, so I knew I didn't need to go get new gas. But check this out. I had been neglecting my grill for a while. So long story short, my burners in here became clogged with like grease residue, whatnot. So what I did is I took a paper clip, bent it out, and just stuck them in the holes and unclogged my burners. Now here's was my situation, right? Not just the holes were clogged, there was clogging inside here. So I really gave it a good old ground and just a good old beating here with this paper clip end, I guess. Now if I wanted to, I could take this apart underneath this piece and just blow air in and out, or blow air this way to try to get them out that. But I think I got it all smashed down good. And then what I did next was I went ahead and hooked my gas back up, turned it back on, lit it, and shut the lid, and within minutes it was up to well over 350. So that has definitely solved my problem. I guess my point is, a lot of people will do this, maybe think their grill's broken, throw it away. Try cleaning your vents first. Now these vents are probably towards the end of their life. Burners. You can order these on Amazon. I'll put a link to that below. They're actually not even that expensive. I think maybe $20–30. But you can take your grill all apart, redo all that. Now another thing I'm going to be working on, my igniter's broken, so look for another video on that. We're going to replace that. But just a quick one today. This is what we needed to do, and while I got it apart, I'm going to clean it, the rest of the grease residue out, and see if I can't make this last another couple years. We'll see. Anyway guys, thanks for watching. Clean your burner holes. Make sure it's cool though, all right? And make sure your gas is disconnected. You know, we don't want anybody getting hurt out there. Thanks for watching guys. We'll see you next time.